It's Suzanne, your instructor for creative presentation, and I'm here today to make sure that you guys are getting a good start and you are navigating around our class and making sure that you know what deadlines are coming up. So let's just take a quick look together. If you come into your area, you may see that it's all closed up like this. You want to open up the areas, and in here, this is just kind of the welcome, the course overview. It has a link to where you can register for our trainings, but please go ahead and complete this professionalism activity, okay? Please make sure you get that done. Then in the second section, this is the one that I really want to talk to you guys about today. The first post for the 1.3 presentation history discussion board is due this Wednesday. Even though it says that this is due September 3rd, there's an actual two-part deadline here, okay? So if you go into the 1.3, you're going to see that you're going to first do your own post, and then you're going to reply to at least two of your classmates. And so we want, excuse me, we want you guys to get your first post done by Wednesday night. And it's really important to take a look at these instruction files. Now, I am going to be going over all of the assignments in the live training tomorrow night, Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I know that you guys want to get started. And I want to make sure that you are getting started and going in the right direction. So please make sure that you find these files, because it's very important. On page 2, we want you to explore a couple of these prompts for your post, for your first post. So please make sure everybody answer this first one. I want you to talk about how you feel when you are presenting. I want you to get very descriptive. If you feel like you're going to throw up in front of people, or you feel like you are the king of the world, I want you to describe it. Take us with you. Make us feel like we're there with you. That's going to be the first one that I want you to do. Then I also want you to pick either the public speaking experience that you may have had in the past, or maybe there was a time that you created a visual presentation. So please make sure that you answer those two. So the first one here, and then either the public speaking or the visual presentation. Now, it's also very important to share this one, and you can do this in a separate paragraph in the same post. I want you to tell me specifically, what do you think that you would like to learn from this class, and what do you think that you need to improve upon in your presentation skills, okay? So make sure that you don't miss those. These are due by Wednesday before midnight on Wednesday night. We will be going over all of the assignments for the first week in our live session tomorrow night, but go ahead and get started on your first post. If you decide that you want to go ahead and start doing your reply post, you can do those as well. But however, those are not due until Sunday. So if you are going to do your feedback, your reply post to your classmates that we ask you to do, please take a look at this RISE model download, okay? So this reflect, inquire, suggest, and elevate, okay? So first you want to reflect on what someone else said in their post, because remember, you're talking about their post. You're going to ask some questions to try to keep the conversations going, and then you might provide them a suggestion to help them get over whatever situation that they might be experiencing, maybe based on your own experiences or something that maybe you've researched or you can go out and research and find. So this is going to help elevate the other person. So we're really looking for you to use this RISE model in the reply post. So again, the assignments that are due, the assignments that are due for this first week, you're going to have a two-part deadline, and then we'll talk about this professional presentation one. We'll talk about that tomorrow night at the live session. I sure hope that you'll be able to join us. If you are wanting to move ahead and start figuring it out, what we're going to be doing, again, find these instruction files. We're going to be using a website called TED.com. Go ahead and start picking out 3 TED Talks. You can pick anything that you want. Watch them, listen to them, and then you'll be able to be ready to create your assignment. But please wait until after we get together tomorrow night. Bring your questions. I hope that you guys will join us. If you're not sure of how to connect with us, the very first item, week 1 live virtual training, there's a link in there that you can register for, and then it's also out here in the outer part. So these are the same things, the weekly go-tos. that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys are enjoying the experience so far. I know we're only a couple hours into it, but I hope you're having fun, and let's do this. Thanks for listening.